Good morning, standard 9 students. Wait. Today I am going to explain some question which is very important for the examination point of view and for the board examination also. 10th class ICSE board. So problem based on the digit, problem based on the age. Hey, these type of questions are very important, and you have to solve the limited questions. Hey, don't try to solve all the questions. Limited questions, which is based on this certain model like the digit one, age one, fraction one, that one. So first question, that is today fraction 1, question number 12. See, the fraction, let the numerator is x and denominator is y. So fraction will be x by y. This is our fraction. What you have to do? What is given in the question? Find the fraction which become 1 by 2 when the denominator is increased by 4. First statement, when denominator increased by 4, y plus 4, then this fraction become equal to 1 by 2. Right? So from this we will get one of the equations. Simplify it. We will get one equation. 2x is equal to y plus 4. 2x minus y is equal to 4. This will be the first equation. Now read the next statement of this question. And it is equal to 1 by 8 when numerator is diminished by 5. Second part, numerator means x diminished means minus by 5. It is equal to 1 by 8. So from this we will get another second equation. 8x minus 40 is equal to y. 8x minus y is equal to 40. This will give second equation. This is first equation, this is second equation. From first and second you have to solve it simultaneously to get the value of x and y. So see what is first? First is 2x minus y is equal to 4 and 8x minus y is equal to 40. So subtract this. Cancel. Minus y plus y. This is minus 6x and this is minus 36. Plus 4 minus 40 minus cancel, x is equal to 6. Right. Now put this value of x in any of the equations. So from first 2x minus y is equal to 4. 2x is 6 minus y is equal to 4. 12 minus y is equal to 4 means 12 minus 4 is equal to y. So y is equal to 8. 8. Y is equal to 8. This is our second equation. Now we have to write the fraction. What is our fraction? Our fraction is x and y. So x value 6, y value 8. So 3, 4. The fraction is 3 by 4. This is our answer. So you have to write in always in the simplest form. The question related to digit one. See question number 20, question number 30. The sum in a two-digit number, the sum of the digit is x. Let 10th place is x and unit place digit is y. So number will be 10x plus y. This is our number. And digit x and y is digit. Right? Now what is given in the question? The sum of the digit is 7. Means digit is x and y. So sum of the digit x plus y is equal to 7. This will give the first equation. Right? What is given? Sum of the digit is 7. Now read the statement. If the number with the order of the digit is reverse, is 28 greater than twice the unit digit of the original number? Our number is 10x plus y. On reversing the number, what is the new number? 10y plus x. On reversing, our number will be 10y plus x. Means which is in unit place, that will come in the 10th place, which in the 10th place will come into the unit place. So new number will be 10y plus x. Now what is given? On reversing the number with the order of the digit reverse, is 28 greater than twice the unit digit of the original number? The unit digit in original number is y. This is the original number. So what is the unit digit? Y. So what is given? When we reverse the order, means when we write 10y plus x, then this is become equal to 28 plus twice the unit digit of the original number. Means 10y plus x is equal to twice the unit digit in which 28 is greater. This will be the second equation. Do you follow this one? This will give second equation. Then you have to solve the digit. Solve it simultaneously. So first question, x plus y is equal to 7. This is first. This one, 10y minus 2y. 8y plus x is equal to 28. 8y plus x is equal to 28. This is second equation. Subtract it. This will be cancelled. Now plus y minus 8y minus 7y. Now plus 7 minus 28 minus 21, cancel, y is equal to 3. Right. Now from first x, y is 3, that is equal to 7. So x is equal to 4. Right. Then you have to find, we get the value of x and y, then we have to find the number. Our original number is 10x plus y. So what the value of x we have? X value is 4, y value is 3, means that is 43. This is our number. So most important part in this chapter exercise, according to the statement you have to write the equations. Always there will be two equations. Then solve these two equations simultaneously and then put the value of the x and y variable in the number itself. See question number 15. I am giving you hints, you have to solve it. Question number 15. When a two-digit number is divided by the sum of the digit, two-digit number, let 10th place x and unit place y, then number will be 10x plus y. This is our number. Now read what is given. When two-digit number is divided by sum of the digit, the quotient is 8. Means when the number 10x plus y divided by sum of the digit. Sum of the digit is x plus y. Then the quotient is equal to 8. this we will get one equation. Right. Second, if the 10th digit is diminished by 3 times, if the 10th digit is x, is diminished by 3 times the unit digit, 10th digit means x diminished means minus, by 3 times the unit digit means 3 times the unit digit, the remainder is 1. Right. If the 10th digit diminished by 10th digit means x, diminished means minus, by 3 times the unit digit is y, 3 times means 3y, the remainder is 1. What is the number? This will be the second equation. From these two equations, we have to solve the problem and to find the value of x and y. After finding the value of x and y, put the value of x and y here in number, in 10x plus y, and that will be our number. Do you follow this one? So you have to solve the question, some question based on the digit one. Next class I will explain you the age problem. Thank you.